Freezing your credit is an important step in protecting your identity and preventing unauthorized access to your financial information. CyberScout is a reputable company that offers credit monitoring and protection services, including credit freezes. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to freeze your credit with CyberScout. First, you need to create an account with CyberScout by visiting their website and following the registration process. This will require you to provide some personal and financial information, which will be used to verify your identity and set up your account. Once you have created your account, you can initiate the credit freeze process by logging in and navigating to the credit management section. From there, you can select the credit freeze option and follow the prompts to complete the process. To freeze your credit, you will need to provide some additional information, including your social security number, date of birth, and other identifying details. This information will be used to verify your identity and ensure that the credit freeze is applied to the correct account. After you have submitted your request, CyberScout will contact the 3 major credit reporting agencies, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, to request that they freeze your credit. This will prevent anyone from accessing your credit report or opening new accounts in your name without your permission. It is essential to note that freezing your credit will not affect your existing accounts or credit score. You will still be able to use your credit cards, pay bills, and make other financial transactions as usual. To unfreeze your credit, you can log into your CyberScout account and follow the same process as before. You will need to provide your account information and verify your identity to lift the credit freeze. It is recommended that you keep your credit frozen unless you need to apply for credit or a loan. Freezing your credit is a proactive step in protecting your identity and preventing financial fraud. By following these steps and using CyberScout's credit freeze services, you can help safeguard your financial information and prevent unauthorized access to your credit report. In conclusion, freezing your credit with CyberScout is a straightforward process that can provide you with an added layer of protection against identity theft and financial fraud. By creating an account, initiating the credit freeze process, and verifying your identity, you can help prevent unauthorized access to your credit report and protect your financial information.